Yes, class, good morning. Today we'll discuss here problem solving exercise 11.3. Is that the topic is the ellipse. Our first lecture here has been completed, then in this exercise, second lecture. Today I am taking question number second of this same exercise 11.3. Question number second here, to find the coordinate of the foci, the vertices. Second answer your vertices. Third answer your length of the major and minor axis. Third answer, fourth answer is eccentricity, and fifth answer will be a length of the latus rectum of the ellipse. You will find here the 5 answers in these questions. Equations of the ellipse are given. The first of all, you will be check this given equation ki which this given equation is the along major axis along the x-axis, otherwise the y-axis. So you will check these things here, which is your major axis here. So yes, now look here first. Here first x square upon 4 plus y square upon 25. So now you will check your solution. Ki 25 is greater than is 4. So you can say major axis is y axis, because intercept of the y axis is greater than compare than the intercept of the x axis. So the 25 greater than the 4, so you can say that ki major axis will be your y axis. Major axis will be your y axis. Then equation of the ellipse, x square upon b square plus y square upon a square equal to 1. So this is the equation first. Because when your major equation of the ellipse, when major axis is the y axis, then equation of the ellipse is. So now you will equating the equation, first equation, the general equation of the ellipse. You will be equating the equation of the ellipse in general equation of the ellipse. So now what is the value of a? The a square equal to 25. So what value of the a here? A equal to 5. You will take always your positive value. Don't take your the negative value of the any vertex. You are taking always the positive value only here. Next, b square equal to your 4. Then we will write here b equal to 2. Next, so this means your a square and b square, from a square b square you find the value of a and b here. Means this is the vertices of the, this one is the vertices of the ellipse. So this one the vertex of the ellipse. Then after that you will find the value of the c. So you know value of the a square equal to b square plus c square. This is according to this identity. So then you will solve here. What value of the c square here? B square minus a square. What value of the b here? B square here 25 minus 4. This will be get 21. The value of the c, the c square root 21. So this is the value of the c here. A seventh root 21. But then you will find the vertexes, vertexes of the ellipse. The first major vertex of the major axis, for major axis, vertex of the major axis is equal to y axis your 5, 0 plus minus 5, and for minor axis के लिए value of the 2 plus minus 2 and 0. So this one is the vertices of the ellipse. 4 major axis is 0 plus minus 5, or 4 minor axis is plus minus 2 and 0. Next answer. This is the first answer here. Second answer, foci. Then is the foci. Foci is the foci will be the major axis your x-axis. Then your foci will be what foci are 0 plus minus c. Then your answer will be 0 plus minus c. What will be root 21. This is your next answer, second part. So vertices of the foci here 0 plus minus c means 0 plus minus c is 221. Value of this here 221. Next, vertices and foci were completed. Two answers here completed, this and this. Then next here length of the major and minor axis. So you note down it, then we'll solve the next question. Length of the major axis. Because value of a equal to 2 and value of b equal to 5. This is your given. Now length of major axis is equal to 2 always. What value of the a here? This is the b, this is a. So major 2 into 5 is equal to 10. And length of minor axis is equal to 2b. So 2 into 2 equal to 4 unit. Because you are using the word length, the length always of the unit. The length 10 units and 4 units. So your third answer has been also have completed. Next, major minor axis completed. Next, the eccentricity of the. What is the eccentricity? Now your third answer completed. Then fourth, eccentricity. Eccentricity E equal to C upon A. This is the always value of C upon A. Or what value of this C here? Root 21 upon A is the 5. The root 20 upon A. So this is your major length. This is your next answer. And next, fifth answer here. And length of the latus rectum. Next here, length of LR. This is the 2b square upon always A. So what value of 2b square? 2b square means length of the minor axis. 2b square means 4 upon A means 5. So length your 8 upon 5 unit. This is your answer of the fifth answer. The length of the latus rectum of the ellipse. The 2b square upon this identity of the length of LR. They are putting the value of the b square. What is the value of the b is 2 and a are 5. So 2 4 to the 8 upon 5 units. So this is your solution of the second questions. According to this way, you will solve every question where it is asking your find the foci, find the vertices of the major and minor axis, find your eccentricity, find the any length of the LR. According every question you will solve according this way. Just note down the next question. Yes, student, next question I am taking question number 7 there. Question is the same, but suppose question given in this form. So how to find of the coordinate of the foci, vertices, length of the major and minor axis, eccentricity and latus rectum. How to find it here? So you will first convert in the standard equation of the ellipse. After that you will be solved according the same question, first and second and third. Now solution here कि 36x square plus 4y square equal to 44. Then you will write here कि x 36x square upon 44 plus 4y square upon 144 equal to 1. This 44 divided by both the number in separate way. After that you will write here कि x square upon. Now solve it. How many times 36 is in 4? 6 for 21. 4 times will be cancelled here. What is left here? 4 plus y square upon this will be cancelled here. 4 3 12 36 times. This will be cancelled here 36 times. What is it? That means this is your equation second. After that you will convert and you will write the equation in the standard form. This is the equation of the ellipse or this is the equation of the ellipse in standard form. So here x intercept here 4 and y intercept here 36. So this is same equation of your according to your question number first second. Your major axis first you select here to which is your major axis or which is your minor axis. So now you will write it 36 is greater than is 4. So we can say major axis will be y axis. So then you will write here x square upon b square plus y square upon a square equal to 1. So this one your standard equation of the ellipse which having the major axis is the y axis, because when y intercept here a square, where is the a square? This is the major axis. That means then you will be equating the equation first with the standard equation of the ellipse. So what is the value of the b square here? The b square here 4, so means value of b equal to 2, and similarly with a square here 36. So what value of a here 6. Then you can easily find out the vertices of the ellipses. What is the vertex of the ellipse? Plus minus 2 0, and your major axis will be here 0 plus minus 6. After that you will find the value of the c here. You know what identity of this here? A square equal to b square plus c square. So means c square equal to a square minus b square. Putting the value here a square here 36 and b over here 4, this is 32. So what value of this c here? 32. So now 8 16 to the 4 root 2. So this is the value of the c. 16 to the 32. So 16 square of the 4 root 2. After that, first we find the foci of the ellipse. When y-axis is the major axis, then foci equal to 0 plus minus c. That means 0 plus minus c. What value of the c? 4 root 2. Means when y-axis is the major axis, then its foci equal to 0 plus minus c. That means 0 and plus minus 4 root 2. After that, you will find same here length of the major axis. The vertices of. Yes, we note down it. Then next question. You have already got your value of what value of the a? Value of the a here 6 and value of the b here 2. So then second has the vertexes. Ellipse. So now major vertexes, 4 major axes, 4. Major axis is equal to 0 plus minus 4 plus minus 6, and next 4 minor axis will be 2 plus minus 2 0. So this is your vertices of the major and this is the vertex of the major and minor axis. Next length of the major axis. Now next third answer here, length of major axis equal to 2a. So 2 into 6 equal to 12 unit. a same length of minor x is equal to 2b, so 2 into 2 equal to 4 units. Next, eccentricity, fourth answer here, eccentricity E equal C upon A. What value of the C here? 4 root 2. And what value of the A here? Length of the major axis is 6. So 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. So 2 root 2 upon 3. This is your answer, 2 root 2 upon 3. And next answer your length of the lattice rectum. So LR equal to 2b square upon A. And what value of the B? 2. Then it 4, 2 is 4 upon 8, 8 upon A means 6. This is your answer here. Length of, yes, note down it first. Then it will be fifth answer here. Length of lattice rectum equal to 2b square upon A. So what value of 2? B value of 2 is 4 upon A. So 2 3 is 6. So 4 upon 3 unit. This is your answer. According to this, you will solve the every questions. Just note down the next question here. Yes class, next question I am taking question number 10. These are different type of the questions. In the question number 1 to 7 I have learned here how to suppose equations are given, so how to find out the vertices, how to find out the foci, how to find out the LR or how to find out the focus and so on. But in this question here, the vertex and foci are already given here. You will be find the equation of the ellipse. Focus points and vertex point given in these conditions, and you will find the equation in opposite of the question number first second of this question number 10. Yes, so now you look here, the vertexes are plus minus 5 0 and foci are plus minus 4 0. So you know कि when major axis here plus the y axis here 0 0, it means you can say कि which first we'll check the which axis here 0, which axis coordinate have here the 0, x axis coordinate here 0, then major axis will be the y. When means when x, suppose coordinate here in this form, the plus minus a0 या plus minus 0b, suppose in this form, that means major axis is the x axis, major axis will be which axis here given 0 here. So then in this axis here given 0 here x here 0 given, y 0 given, the major axis x axis, which is the major axis x axis, or here major axis is the y axis, because here in this condition major axis will be the x, or in this condition major axis will be the y, because here given 0 here, or in this condition 0 is x. So now start the solution here. Since the vertexes here plus minus 5 0 and foci plus minus 4 0, then the major axis will be x axis. So then the x square upon a square plus y square upon, so required equation of the ellipse. So required equation of the ellipse is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. So this is your required equation. Suppose in this condition, when vertex is this and foci this, then your major axis will be the x-axis. Why? We have given the reason here. And then the equation of the ellipse will be in this form. When x-axis is the major, then equation of the ellipse will be the x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. First of all, so now you are equating the, so when vertex is this, so that means vertex is a here, the value of the a here 5, and foci means vertexes plus minus a equal to 0 given here, plus minus 5 0. It means a equal to 5, and here foci means plus minus c 0 here given, plus minus 4 0. It means c here given 4. What value of the c here? 4. Here a and c given, then you find here a square equal to b square plus c square according using this identity here. So what value you find here? B square. The value of the b square equal to a square minus c square. So b square equal to 25 minus c square equal to 16. This will be a 9. Then you can find here b equal to 3. What value you get here? Value of the b here 3. Our value of the a are already getting here 5. Our value of the are getting here. So from equation first, equation of the ellipse. The required equation of the ellipse equal x square upon a square. So what value of the a? 5. What value of the a are? 5. It means square of the a 25 plus y square upon b square. And what value of the b are? 5 3, that is 9, and equal to 1. This is your answer. That means according given condition, in this given condition, required equation of the ellipse x square upon 25 plus y square upon 9 equal 1. According to the given condition, required equation of this. So you will solve every question. First we will check this to which axis is the major, and according to your comparing the quantities, and then find the value of ABC. Suppose you have required here, then put in the value of in equation, then you get the required equation of the ellipse. Yes, note down it.